Hi guys, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor. In today's video, we'll discuss the symptoms of a bad starter relay. A starter relay is an electrical switch that controls the high current flow between the battery and the starter motor in a vehicle's starting system. Think of a light switch that controls the flow of electricity between the power source and the light bulb in your home. Just like the light switch controls the flow of electricity between the power source and the light bulb, the starter relay controls the flow of high current between the battery and the starter motor in a vehicle's starting system. A faulty starter relay can prevent a vehicle from starting. So, what are the dangers of a bad starter relay? A bad starter relay causes the battery to drain quickly, leaving you with a dead battery and no power to start the vehicle. A faulty starter relay causes an electrical short circuit, which leads to a fire hazard. A bad starter relay prevents the engine from starting, leaving you stranded in a dangerous situation. Now, what are the common symptoms to look out for? Intermittent starting. The engine starts sometimes and doesn't start at other times. This is a sign that the starter relay is failing and needs to be replaced. Clicking sound. When you turn the key, it clicks, indicating a bad starter relay. This is the sound of the relay trying to send power to the starter motor but failing to do so. Starter runs continuously. A faulty starter relay causes the starter motor to run continuously, even after the engine is started. This causes damage to the starter motor or other components in the starting system. To sum up, here's a quick tip on how to fix the issue. If you notice any of these symptoms, having your vehicle's starter relay checked and replaced by a professional mechanic is key. Thanks for watching.